like, for me to give up on this dream that I have of having, all these rental units. And I had my game plan was set. I was like, I was resolute. We were going to go for it. And we were actually at one of our trainings, and through a long series that I'm not going to get to here on this podcast. Yeah. I just had had that, the light coming on moment of like, I can choose one or the other. I can choose to pursue this church plant and what I feel like God is calling us to do, or I can choose to pursue this real estate stuff, and just said, hey, I'm gonna pursue. I feel like we're supposed to do this. Cool. And so I came to my wife and said, like, hey, I think we're supposed to sell and give 100% of the proceeds that we have, 100% of the equity. And she broke down in tears and said, I feel the same exact thing.
So cool.
And so we, within like the month, our renters had called us and said, hey, we're so sorry, but we have to move out. Yeah. We're like, perfect. Actually, that's perfect.
Everything just aligned.
Everything lined up perfectly to where we were able to sell. And I was able to give that six-figure check.
That's so cool. Yeah. So I have to ask questions, because there's just so much to the story that gets me excited. How long was the time frame from when you like how many years was this?
From when I first bought a condo, or from?
Yeah, from like the beginning of the venture of investing in real estate to.
It was, we bought our first one in May of 2016.
Cool. Okay.
We bought another one in September of 2017.
Nice.
And it was we sold it in January of 2019.
Cool. So that's like 3 years?
3.5, yeah.
Amazing.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along.